Over the last 7 days, I made over $100 a day using ChatGPT. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. So step by step, we're going to go through exactly how I did this, the prompts that I use, how to find my customers, and how to get paid. By the way, I'm going to be releasing a full course on this soon, but I wanted to put out this video to give you guys a sneak peek and give you a chance to prepare. Welcome back to Smart Money Tech. On this channel, I help you make, save, and grow your money using AI and the latest tech tools. So if you're ready to turn technology into income, make sure to hit subscribe, and also don't forget to enter our giveaway where we're giving away $500 cash. So the first thing that you want to do is choose a profitable service. Now you don't want to try to do everything. Instead, pick one high-demand skill that you can use ChatGPT to help you deliver. There are 3 really easy examples that I want you guys to consider. First, you can do blog writing for websites. There are tens of thousands of blogs and websites looking to hire writers. Second, you can do social media captions for brands. Pretty much every brand on social media needs captions for their posts. And third, you can do product descriptions for online stores. These descriptions are what end up selling people on the products. You can use ChatGPT to write all of these things. And honestly, I think the best place to start is with the blog writing. So that's what I'm going to walk you through in this video. But if you're interested in the other options, leave me a comment below and I'll send you the exact prompts that I used to make money with those too. So when I was getting started, I went to Fiverr and Upwork, and I scrolled through all the open job listings to figure out how much I should charge and how much demand there really was. Like here on Upwork, I saw so many opportunities for blog writing. Some of them were paying up to $150 per blog post. Obviously, you don't want to charge that much when you're just starting out. And by the way, if you haven't signed up for Fiverr or Upwork yet, definitely do that today. It takes less than 5 minutes and you could start making money tomorrow. So once you've signed up, you want to choose a niche that you're comfortable writing about. For my first blog post, I wrote about coffee shops. I chose this niche because I love drinking coffee and I thought I knew a little bit about it. But honestly, you can choose any niche you want because that's what ChatGPT is for. So if you don't know a lot about a topic, you can always ask ChatGPT to teach you. I would just start by typing, "Teach me about," and then type whatever topic you want. Okay, now that you have a niche, you need to come up with a good title for the blog post. A good title is something that will grab the reader's attention and make them want to click on the post. So for this, I like to use ChatGPT. Just write a catchy title for a blog post about, and then type your blog post topic. Once you have a title, you're ready to move on to writing the actual blog post. So to do this, I use this prompt. Write a 500-word blog post on HR topic in a friendly, engaging tone. Include SEO keywords, FARI's keywords. So once you have your title and your topic, just plug it into the prompt and then hit send. From here, you just got to sit back and watch ChatGPT write the entire blog post. And it's really impressive. The blog post is actually not too bad. Of course, it's not perfect, but it's a great start. So from here, I would just copy the text, go over to Google Docs and paste it in. Then I'll go through and make a few changes just to make sure it sounds natural and it makes sense. And there you go. You just wrote a blog post. Now the next step is to figure out how much you should charge for this. So I recommend checking out Fiverr and Upwork and seeing what other people are charging. Like I said before, some people are even charging $150 for blog posts. But I wouldn't charge that much when I was just starting out. Instead, I would probably charge around $20 to $50 depending on the length and complexity of the blog post. If you're wondering how long your blog post should be, I would aim for around 500 words. That seems to be the sweet spot. As for complexity, well, that depends on your skill level. If you're a beginner, stick to simple topics. As you get more experience, you can tackle more complex ones. At this point, you have your service, you have your niche, you have a title, and you have a blog post written. Now you just need to find clients who want to buy your service. And there are a few ways to do this. My favorite way is to create a Fiverr or Upwork profile and upload your blog post as a sample. This is a great way to showcase your skills and attract potential clients. Another way is to post your service on LinkedIn or Twitter. You can share a link to your Fiverr or Upwork profile, or you can just describe your service and ask potential clients to contact you directly. Finally, you can reach out to potential clients directly via DM. This is a great way to get your foot in the door and start building relationships. But make sure you don't just DM everyone. Be strategic about it. Look for small business owners who could benefit from your service and reach out to them with a personalized message. Here's an example DM that you can use. Hey, I see that you run a coffee shop and I noticed that you don't have a blog. Having a blog can help you attract new customers and build relationships with your existing ones. I'm a freelance writer and I can help you set up a blog for your business. I offer a variety of blog writing services, including writing, editing, and proofreading. I can also help you develop a content strategy and editorial calendar. Would you be interested in learning more? Once you start getting clients, you need to deliver the work and try to upsell them. To deliver the work, use the Google Doc or whatever you decide to use to edit your blog post. Make sure to polish the writing and add your own personal touches. Then once you're done, simply upload the blog post to your client's website and you're good to go. As for upselling, this is simply the process of persuading your client to buy additional services. For example, if you wrote a blog post for a client, you could offer to write social captions for them as well. Most of the time they'll say yes, especially if it's a small business owner. They just want to grow their business, and if you can help them do that, they'll probably say yes. Finally, you want to scale. Charging $25 per order and completing just 4 orders a day means making $100 a day. I'd recommend focusing on repeat clients rather than trying to find new ones every day. And listen, I know this might seem like a lot of work, but it's really not that bad once you get the hang of it. Plus, the potential to make money is huge. You could make $100 a day, $1,000 a day, or even more. And the best part is that you can do this from anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection and a computer. And by the way, I've created a free PDF with 10 ChatGPT prompts that you can start using today to make money. The link is in the description of this video.